Hi everyone, today we will be learning the exciting adjective I'm having guys for you to learn. And once you will learn this in the conversation while you are talking with someone else, you will feel that you have learned the best adjective ever. So why do we delay? Let's get started, all right? So first example, suppose right this marker I'm having, if I'm saying and if I'm emphasizing on it, this so-called marker and I'm not able to write with, it means ये बेकार marker और मैं इसके साथ नहीं हूँ लिखने के योग्य. And let me just give you can say second example and just you have to relate with this. Suppose I'm having this hand free and I'm saying this so-called hand free, from which I'm not able to hear with. It means ये बेकार hand free जिसके साथ में लिखने सुनने के योग्य नहीं, right? And guys, let me give you some of the more examples so that you can understand really very well. Suppose wherever you are sitting, wherever you are standing, just imagine, you can just take any example. Suppose you are sitting, or suppose you are sitting in a bed or in bed and you are having like you are looking at pillow. So you can say this so-called pillow, no, I cannot get comfort with it. It means ये बेकार तकिया जिसके साथ मैं नहीं ले सकता आराम, right? And let's just imagine, suppose you are just standing in front of the door, and or you can say in the behind of door, and you are locking the door, and you are saying that this so-called door I'm not able to lock it. It means ये बेकार दरवाजा मैं योग्य नहीं उसको लॉक करने के, right? So we can use so-called in this way, and let me just give you can say some of the more examples so that you can understand really very well. So just whenever we are talking about so-called, it means we are talking about someone or something that does not fit or they may not be fit with their name. For example, suppose I'm talking about police, right? And if I say these police doesn't know how to get arrested someone else, it means these यानी ये जो बेकार जो पुलिस हैं नहीं जानते किसी को अरेस्ट कराना, right? And let me just give you can say second example, and I'm talking about an expert, right? An expert can be in any subject who is called expert, and I'm saying these so-called expert doesn't know how to give like presentation. यानी ये जो बेकार जो expert हैं, right? Because they are not going to be fit with their name, because expert is called who is having you can say knowledge to give presentation. So I'm saying these so-called expert doesn't know how to give presentation. It means ये जो बेकार जो एक्सपर्ट हैं वो नहीं जानते कैसे दी जाए presentation. So guys, you can use in this way so-called, and I hope that this video you have understood and you will enjoy it. Best of luck. Thank you for watching and learning. Bye, take care.